Forget everything you thought a motorhome could be. This isn't just an RV. This is a 12-wheel off-road luxury expedition machine, built to look unstoppable on the road, and even more intimidating when the road disappears. With its armored-inspired body, massive all-terrain tires, rooftop equipment, solar panels, recovery gear, and a commanding front profile, this motorhome looks like a luxury hotel engineered for the wilderness. Starting at the front, the first thing that grabs your attention is the aggressive LED lighting signature. The huge panoramic windshield gives the driver an incredible forward view, while the heavy-duty front bumper and integrated winch create a serious, expedition-ready appearance. Every panel has sharp geometric lines, giving this motorhome a futuristic, military-inspired character without sacrificing luxury. And those massive off-road tires, they make this machine look ready to leave the highway behind. Move to the side and the scale becomes unbelievable. The long expedition body is surrounded by rugged storage compartments, reinforced exterior panels, oversized windows, and multiple equipment cases mounted high on the vehicle. But behind those huge windows is where the surprise begins. Instead of a basic RV interior, you get the feeling of a rolling luxury apartment. The combination of dark exterior armor, premium glass, metallic detailing, and enormous wheels gives this motorhome a presence that is almost impossible to ignore. At the rear, the design becomes even more practical. Heavy-duty storage boxes provide space for adventure equipment, while the elevated body and enormous tires give the vehicle impressive ground clearance. This is the kind of motorhome designed for travelers who don't want their journey to end when the pavement does. From above, the entire concept comes together. Solar panels help support the onboard lifestyle, while rooftop storage cases provide additional space for expedition equipment. Everything has a purpose. Nothing looks ordinary. This isn't simply a roof, it's another level of the adventure system. Step inside the cockpit and the atmosphere completely changes. The exterior may look rugged and aggressive, but the cabin feels sophisticated. A wide dashboard, premium seating, advanced displays, large windshield, and commanding driving position put the driver in control of this enormous machine. From this seat, you're not driving a normal RV. You're commanding an expedition platform. Now enter the living area. Large panoramic windows bring the outside world inside, while premium seating, warm ambient lighting, elegant cabinetry, and modern finishes create a comfortable luxury environment. Imagine parking this giant machine beside a mountain, desert, forest, or remote lake and enjoying the same level of comfort you would expect from a luxury hotel. The kitchen is designed for long journeys. Premium counters, modern storage, integrated appliances, and a sophisticated layout give you everything needed to prepare meals without sacrificing valuable living space. Whether you're traveling across America or exploring somewhere completely remote, this kitchen keeps the journey comfortable. At the end of the day, the bedroom becomes your personal escape. A large premium bed, elegant lighting, modern cabinetry, and panoramic windows create a peaceful environment far away from the noise of the outside world. Wake up in the mountains. Wake up beside a desert. Wake up overlooking a forest. Your hotel room travels with you. Even the bathroom doesn't feel like a typical RV bathroom. The design combines premium finishes, modern fixtures, intelligent storage, and a clean luxury layout. It's compact enough for an expedition vehicle, but luxurious enough to feel like a private suite. And now comes the real test. Take this massive motorhome away from the showroom and onto rough terrain. Those enormous tires, high ground clearance, rugged construction, and expedition-focused equipment give this machine the visual character of something built for places where ordinary RVs simply can't go. Mud, rock, sand, remote trails. This is where the motorhome's true personality comes alive. At the end of the day, this machine isn't just transportation. It isn't just a house on wheels. It's a luxury expedition fortress designed for people who want to travel farther, explore harder, and experience places most travelers will never see. A massive 12-wheel stance, a luxury interior, serious off-road character, and enough personality to turn heads wherever it goes. Would you take this beast across America? If you would, hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. Where would you take this ultimate expedition motorhome first? This presentation is for concept and entertainment purposes. Features, specifications, performance, and equipment shown may vary from an actual production vehicle.